Cool car gadgets of 2026 are here. From smart tools to fun upgrades, these awesome finds on Amazon will make your ride better, safer, and way more fun. Let's check them out. All these car gadgets links are in the description below. Number 15. Electric Bike Hitch Rack. Transporting bikes just got a whole lot easier with this sturdy and foldable hitch bike rack. It can carry up to 2 bikes, each weighing up to 75 pounds, and fits most standard, fat tire, and electric bicycles with 24-29-inch wheels. The upgraded ratchet hook arms make loading and securing your bikes a breeze while protecting the frame from scratches. Plus, the smart tilting design lets you access your trunk even with bikes loaded. And the folding structure makes storage simple when not in use. Honestly, you can also you're hitting the road or going off the beaten path, this rack has got you covered. Number 14. Magnelex Car Windshield Sunshade. Keep your car cool and protected with this innovative windshield sunshade. Designed with no light pass technology, it provides maximum protection against the sun's heat, preventing your car from getting unbearably hot on sunny days. It's foldable, making it super easy to store when not in use, and fits most cars perfectly. This sunshade helps protect your car's interior from UV damage, keeping your dashboard, seats, and electronics in top condition.
Number 13. Hotor Car Trash Can. Keep your car clean and organized with this handy trash can. Designed with a lid and storage pockets, it's perfect for holding your trash while on the road. The 100% leak-proof and waterproof material ensures no mess or spills, even on bumpy rides. With its compact design, it fits easily in your car, keeping your space tidy without taking up much room. If you need to toss wrappers, tissues, or other small items, this multi-purpose trash bin is the ideal solution to maintain a clutter-free vehicle. It's a must-have for anyone who likes to keep their ride neat and organized. Number 12. Comsoon Bluetooth Receiver. This Bluetooth adapter is the perfect upgrade for your car or home stereo system, turning any non-Bluetooth device into a wireless audio powerhouse. With Bluetooth 5.0, it offers a stable connection and fast transmission, making it ideal for music or hands-free calls. Thanks to intelligent noise reduction, your calls will be crystal clear, blocking out background noise. The 16-hour battery life ensures you can enjoy long drives or sessions without constant recharging. And with dual device connection, you can pair 2 devices at once. Plus, it's super easy to use with a built-in mic for hands-free calling and navigation. Number 11. Homeve Car Trunk Organizer. Say goodbye to a messy car trunk with this super practical organizer. Made from durable, high-quality polyester fabric, it's built to last and handle heavy use. It features 3 spacious compartments and adjustable dividers, so you can customize it to fit your car's space. Plus, with 12 extra pockets for smaller items, it keeps everything organized and within reach. The reinforced handles make it easy to carry, and the non-slip bottom ensures nothing slides around. Waterproof and easy to clean, it's perfect for storing groceries, sports gear, tools, and more, keeping your car tidy and clutter-free. Number 10. Redtiger Dashcam Front Rear. This dual dashcam has everything you need for ultimate road safety and convenience. With 4K front and 1080p rear recording, it captures clear, detailed footage, perfect for reading road signs or license plates. The 170-degree front and 140-degree rear wide-angle lenses help reduce blind spots, while the superior night vision ensures crisp images in low light. You can easily control the cam through an app on your phone, view footage, and even track your route with the built-in GPS. Plus, with features like loop recording, collision detection, and 24-hour parking mode, you can trust it to keep you covered, day or night. Number 9. Lisen Retractable Car Charger. Looking for a hassle-free charging solution on the go? This 4-in-1 retractable car charger is the perfect accessory for any road trip or daily drive. With dual USB ports and a 31.5-inch retractable cord, it lets you charge multiple devices at once if it's your iPhone, AirPods, or tablet. It's designed to fit standard 12-volt car sockets and offers fast charging with 69-watt power, making it great for long trips or tight spaces. Plus, the shockproof adjustable design ensures reliable power even on bumpy roads, making it a must-have for SUVs and trucks. Number 8. Rooftop Carrier Bag. If you're running out of space in your car, this rooftop cargo carrier is the perfect solution for your next adventure. With 21 cubic feet of storage, it can hold everything from suitcases to camping gear, freeing up space inside your vehicle. It's built for durability with waterproof Oxford cloth and a secure zipper that's fully protected by a double flap. The anti-slip mat keeps your bag in place even on bumpy roads, while reinforced straps and a luggage lock ensure your belongings stay secure. Number 7. Magnetic Phone Holder. This car phone holder is a total game changer for anyone who needs a reliable, hands-free solution while driving. With its 360-degree rotation and dual-axis adjustment, you can easily customize the viewing angle, navigating, or taking a call. It's designed for a strong, secure grip even on textured surfaces, thanks to a special pad that ensures perfect suction. Plus, the telescopic arm is fully adjustable, making it easy to find the ideal setup for your car. Number 6. Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Upgrade your ride with this wireless CarPlay adapter. It's designed to turn your wired CarPlay system into a seamless wireless experience, allowing you to enjoy features like navigation, music, calls, and Siri without the hassle of plugging in. With ultra-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, this adapter ensures a smooth connection that's 10 times faster than other options. The compact, durable design lasts longer and keeps cool even on long drives. Plus, it's plug-and-play, so you can instantly connect and enjoy a sleek, stylish interface. Number 5. Wireless Apple CarPlay Screen. Transform your car with this 9-inch wireless CarPlay and Android Auto screen. It's perfect for easy navigation, calls, music, and more with voice control via Siri or Google Assistant. Plus, the front 4K camera and 1080p backup camera ensure clear, detailed footage while driving and parking, improving safety. The Mirror Link feature lets you display your phone screen, and with multiple audio options like BT audio and FM radio, you'll enjoy great sound on the go. The built-in collision sensor locks recordings during accidents, while the parking monitor automatically captures any vibrations when your car is parked. Number 4. Fanttik Slim Apex Car Vacuum. Keep your car spotless with this powerful portable vacuum. It's compact, cordless, and packs a punch with 19,000 pascal suction power, making it perfect for tackling dirt, crumbs, and debris in your car. If you need a quick clean or a deeper scrub, it offers 2 suction modes to suit your needs. The rechargeable Type-C battery ensures long-lasting use, and the handheld design makes it easy to reach tight spaces. It's the ideal tool for keeping your car interior fresh and clean, all without the hassle of cords or bulky vacuums. Number 3. AstroAI Tire Inflator Portable. This portable tire inflator is a life changer for anyone who drives. With its compact size, it easily fits into your glove compartment or trunk, making it perfect for on-the-go use. You can set your desired pressure and it'll automatically shut off once it's reached the right level. No need to monitor it constantly. Plus, the backlit screen and built-in flashlight make it super convenient for nighttime use. It's tough and durable, designed to last longer with advanced tech. Number 2. Spy Mini GPS Smart Tracker. This mini GPS tracker is the perfect solution for keeping an eye on your car, loved ones, or valuables. Small enough to fit almost anywhere, it's ideal for tracking vehicles, kids, pets, or even assets like boats or RVs. With real-time tracking updates as fast as every 5 seconds, you'll always know where your items are. The weatherproof magnetic case keeps it safe and secure on cars, trucks, or motorcycles, even in tough conditions. Plus, with features like geofencing, speed alerts, and the time machine to review location history, it offers complete peace of mind with 24/7 support. Number 1. Yuoyar Sunglass Holder for Car. Stay organized and keep your sunglasses easily accessible with this practical holder designed for your car visor. The package includes 2 universal holders that fit a wide range of car types, making it a versatile option for any vehicle. The magnetic flap is simple to open with one hand, allowing you to quickly store or grab your sunglasses while on the move. Made from high-quality leather, it provides a soft, protective surface to ensure your glasses remain safe. The elastic fabric at the end of the holder keeps your glasses securely in place without causing any damage. And that's a wrap for today's video. We'd love to hear which gadget stood out to you or ended up on your wish list. Drop a comment below. Thank you for watching.